Today, I'm diving into the weird world of shrimp anatomy to see if I can wrap my head around the fact that these little critters have their hearts in their heads. Can I figure out how that even works? When it comes to shrimp biology, there's a whole lot we don't know, and even more that we think we know but really don't. You see, most of us learn about human anatomy in school, maybe some basic biology, but when it comes to invertebrates like shrimp, our knowledge is pretty limited, and that's exactly why I find it so fascinating. Who wouldn't want to learn about creatures that are literally alien to us? I think one of the main reasons we don't know much about shrimp anatomy is that they're so small and seem so simple. I mean, they're just tiny little crustaceans that we toss into our seafood paella, right? But the truth is, their bodies are incredibly complex, and yet they're able to thrive in some of the most inhospitable environments on the planet. So, what's the deal with their anatomy, and why do we know so little about it? The more I dug into the world of shrimp biology, the more I realized that there's a lot of misinformation out there. Like, have you ever heard that shrimp have a 3-part brain? Yeah, that's a myth. They actually have a pretty sophisticated nervous system. But it's not like ours at all. Shrimp have an open circulatory system, which means that they don't have blood vessels like we do. Instead, they have a fluid called hemolymph that bathes their organs directly. And get this, it's this fluid that carries oxygen and nutrients to their cells. Talk about efficient, right? But what really blows my mind is that they have not 1, not 2, but 5 pairs of walking legs, and yet they can still swim like pros. So let's talk about the heart of the matter, literally. Shrimp have an amazing little organ called the heart-stomach complex, which combines their heart and stomach into one neat little package. It's located right in their head, and it's responsible for pumping hemolymph throughout their bodies. But here's the thing. This heart-stomach complex is super efficient. It allows shrimp to move faster and longer without getting tired, which is pretty handy when you're trying to avoid predators. But what really gets me is that shrimp can actually move their hearts around inside their bodies. Yep, you heard me right. They can shift their heart-stomach complex to different parts of their head depending on the situation. It's like they have this built-in anxiety response. Oh no, predator coming! Move the heart to the side, stat! It's truly mind-blowing to think about. Because shrimp have their hearts in their heads, they're able to detect changes in their environment way faster than other animals. It's like they have this superpower sense that lets them know when danger is near. It's no wonder they're able to survive in environments that would be toxic to most other creatures. So let's recap. Shrimp have their hearts in their heads, they have an open circulatory system, and they can move their hearts around inside their bodies like it's no big deal. Yeah, I'd say that's definitely a mind-blown moment. In summary, shrimp anatomy is basically the opposite of everything we think we know about biology. They're like the rebels of the animal kingdom, and I am here for it. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride into the world of shrimp biology. If you've got any crazy shrimp facts, share them in the comments below. And if you want more marine life madness, be sure to check out our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate your support.